ashes frozen on my tongue. All the battles I was losing left me deaf and left me numb. But in the noise I heard your fire, a distant echo in the night. You pulled a thread inside my silence, and something woke up to the light. But an angel in the dark, falling slowly through my sky, set my ruins into motion, teach these broken wings to fly. But an angel, don't let go, staying on my empty streets, turn my losses into embers, make my heart remember heat. All these concrete gods are hollow, glass cathedrals, quiet lies. I forgot why I was fighting, why I chose to ever rise. You appeared without a warning, like a crack across the glass. Every word you threw like lightning carved a future from my past. Now in the dark I feel you near me, like smoke that wraps around my skin. You don't promise me salvation, you just dare me start again. Burning angel in the dark, falling slowly through my sky, set my ruins into motion, teach these broken wings to fly. Burning angel, don't let go, staying on my empty streets, turn my losses into embers, make my heart remember heat. If I burn, then let me burn right, not in silence, not in vain. If I fall, then let me fall up through the ceiling of my pain. You're the fire, I'm the tinder, you're the spark inside the cold. If my story